Are you a student, professional, or an IT professional? If not, then don't worry. At least do you have a PC or a laptop and are in the search for the latest Microsoft Office online key and Windows 10 Pro and 11 Pro key at cheapest prices with best discounts? Well then don't worry because you have come to the right place. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss an important topic for all our viewers who are looking forward to purchase Windows OS and Microsoft Office online digital keys with cheaper prices. Firstly, we offer competitive pricing with discounts and special offers. Not only that, but we also provide 50% discount on all purchases of digital keys, making it more affordable for you. Unlike some other sites that charge high prices over 1500, 3000 or even 5000 rupees, we ensure that our prices remain reasonable. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1, you can open your preferred browser and you can directly search on Google antivirus key. However, we recommend you to avoid these specific websites and you can directly jump on to antiviruskey.in. Or alternately, you can directly type antiviruskey.in. So once you have arrived at the website, you will notice a wide variety of antivirus keys available at discounted prices. Also, you can see more features on the top and on the left side of the screen. Below you can see top listed products which are beneficial to you. Now let's say for example you are looking for Windows online digital key. So if you are looking for Windows OS 10 Pro key or 11 Pro key, you will find two types of key, that is retail keys and OEM keys. When it comes to purchasing Windows OS 10 Pro and 11 Pro key, then you may come across two main types, that is retail key and OEM keys. Let's take a closer look at the difference between these two. Retail keys are more cheaper on our website. Retail keys provide greater flexibility as they can be transferred from one device to different devices. On the other hand, OEM keys are usually pre-installed on the devices by the manufacturer. However, they are tied to the specific hardware they were initially installed on and they cannot be transferred. So let's have a look at the Windows 10 Pro retail key. So it has a lot of features over here. It is 100% genuine key, lifetime updates. It works on both 32-bits and 64-bit edition, supports all languages, and you can see more features over here. Below you can see the steps to install Windows 10 Pro. So basically if you want this retail key of Windows 10 Pro, then you can simply add it to the cart and it will be added to the cart, you can see here. So now let's see for the OEM key. So for Windows 10 Pro OEM key, you can see the features listed. It is 100% genuine key. You have lifetime validity and lifetime updates. It also works on both the editions, 32 and 64-bit edition of Windows 10 Pro, and it will be automatically upgraded to Windows 11 Pro as per the system compatibility. Also below you can see the steps to install Windows 10 Pro and set up the OEM key. So if you want this one, you can simply add it to the cart. Now let's shift our focus to MS Office 2021. So you will find often two types of different keys available for purchase, that is online keys and email binding keys. These two types of keys offer different experiences, so let's dive deeper into their dissimilarities. Online keys are usually delivered instantly after purchase, allowing you to activate your MS Office 2021 software immediately. On the other hand, email binding keys require you to provide an email address during the purchase process. The main advantage of the email binding key is that you can use it on any other device by linking it to your Microsoft account. These keys are sent to your email address and you can also receive them via WhatsApp. Once you have the key, you can activate your software using it. So if you are interested in the Microsoft Office 2021 package, then you will often find two types of keys, that is online activation keys and email binding keys. So for Microsoft Office, these are the different types of keys available. So let's say you want Microsoft Office 2021 email binding key. So you can see different type of features listed over here. For the email binding key, that is lifetime validity. It is 100% genuine key, supports all languages and works worldwide. So below you can see more features and description and how to install Microsoft Office 2021 and set up this email binding key. If you want this email binding key, then you can simply add it to the cart. Now let's see for the online activation key. So you can see different features listed over here on the screen. So it is with lifetime validity, it is 100% genuine license key, it works worldwide. And below you can see different features and the steps to install Microsoft Office 2021 and activate the online activation key. So if you want this online activation key, you can simply add it to the cart, and then if you are done with the purchase, you can simply check out. So you can select any one of the key whichever you want. So for example, I am purchasing here online activation key and I want two quantities of it, so I'll update the cart. So you can see here the price is also updated And let's apply a coupon code which is buy50. So basically by applying this coupon code you will simply get 50% discount straight away, and then you can proceed to checkout. Later on you have to fill all these basic details like your name, address and your email ID, because these keys will be delivered to your email instantly. So after filling all these details you can simply just click on the terms and conditions, and by placing the order you can directly pay via credit card, debit card, net banking, or you can even pay via Razorpay. So payment gateway is quite simple, and below you can see different features where you can contact the team. So this is the email ID, their contact number and their address, so you can directly contact them via these details. We have an exclusive offer for you while purchasing from our website. Just enter the coupon code BUY50 to get a fantastic 50% discount on your order. And we also provide great discount prices for those who require bulk orders for your organization or for corporate use. So make sure to take advantage of this opportunity. So if you are in a need for digital keys for Windows OS or MS Office, whether you are an individual looking for a single key or a corporation looking for a bulk purchases, then we have got you covered. Visit our website to explore our discounted rates for bulk purchases and also take the maximum advantage of our customer service. Remember, we are here to support you every step of the way. So if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.